Finding a case could be difficult for your OnePlus 10 Pro, but I think I found the ultimate case. This is a case I grabbed on Amazon when I got this phone brand new, a month ago or so or more, however long I've had the phone. I got this case immediately. I ordered it right when I got the phone, and most clear cases start to turn yellow in a short period of time. And I'm happy to report that this phone case is not doing that. It's a complete frosted case for the OnePlus 10 Pro, and I will have a link for this in the description. But this is, to me, probably my best offering for a case for this device. And there's a lot of, as far as if you want some kind of a mild, rugged, or mild drop protection, but you still want to show off the color of the device, that is why I got this case right here, because it still shows off the nice green color, but it's real faint, obviously, because it's frost. And then the phone itself is a flat, frosted style for the design. So this case right here has proven to me to be, it checks a lot of boxes. Worst case scenario is that I end up, like, if I just want to keep it looking a certain way, I'll just take it out and use a microfiber cloth and then wipe it off and then put it back in the case, because it checks a lot of boxes. It actually has these little feet right here on the corners, and then on this side it's got the camera bump, so when you sit it down like this, it's not touching. And then it's raised up around the camera area, so it's smoothing it out and leveling it out, so there's no rock or anything on the table. Surprisingly enough, this case has a lot of grip, and it eliminates what I don't like about this phone is these shiny sides. It eliminates that and gives it a very nice, clean, smooth, soft touch, matte feel on the sides, which is what I actually like. Now, the case is obviously under $20. I think I paid like $10 for this. I'm not even sure, but I'll have a link down below for the current pricing. But putting it on and off is super easy. You can go top or bottom, and it just snaps on, and it still gives a highlight of the device. But then having this raised area for the camera bump, it's just flat on the table now. It's a flat surface, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about wireless charging or anything like that. Everything is good to go with this case. So I've been finding myself wanting to actually give you follow-ups on cases that I'm actually using, because a lot of these cases that I do on the channel, I use them, but I don't use them very long, if I'm being honest. And the rotation is real when it comes to cases based on how I'm feeling. If I want something a little bit more bulky, I'm gonna go with something a little bit more bulky. If I want to try something that's thin with drop protection, mild drop protection, I'll go with a silicone case or swap it, because I have the leather case for this as well. But cases, and then if you want something rugged, obviously you've got the Merge series. Now I do have the Merge series for this device, but honestly, you know, I really like this case a lot. I like it a lot, and so this case checks so many boxes for me as far as comfort and feel, and you know, the way it handles itself with drops, because I've definitely dropped this phone case before, dropped the phone in this case before, and it's been kind of a, you know, it just hit the ground, I picked it up and kept going. I still have the factory screen protector on here, so that's a huge plus. It's holding up very well for it to be a factory screen protector. It's got scratches on it, obviously. There's scratches and kind of marks on it, but the screen isn't damaged. So the one con I found for myself with this case is the vibrate mute switch. It is deeply recessed. So if you're a person who finds yourself using the vibrate mute switch a lot, you can just pop it open and do it like that. I didn't even take it all the way off. I just popped it back and then adjusted it, because you can do it with it in there like that, but it's so deep. I mean, I got to go really deep. I got to put it all, I got to push all the way down inside there to get it. So, you know, hey, it is what it is. It works, but I found that going down like that is super easy. And this is where you could possibly use a fingernail or something like that. You can do it. You just have to press on it like really hard. So I just found the best way to do it is to just pop it open real quick and adjust it and put it back. Now, some will complain and say, oh, you make an excuse for this case. It's horrible, blah, blah, blah. Reality is that it is nothing to pop this side off if I just really want to change it to vibrate or silent. That's nothing. This is probably the best protection that I think I've found as far as looks, drop protection, everything. I think this is it, man. This is money well spent. I'm super happy that I picked this up when I got the phone. I really enjoy the phone. And this is probably a great combination. that I would recommend to you guys who are looking for, it's not only if you have the green color, obviously, but if you have the other color, the black or whatever, or the white will probably look really stellar with this one. The white is not, at least in the US, but it is a white version out there. So that's just something to take note of. Very affordable case. I'll leave a link down below. Hope you enjoy the video, man. This is a month of using the same case. And again, I do have the merge and other cases that I've gotten in. But if I'm honest, I used those for maybe 24 hours to use them and tell you how they felt. Then I went back to this case. That's the truth. So this case is my #1 pick for the OnePlus 10 Pro at the moment. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.